Oh, don't tell anyone I said this, but, you're my favorite. Oh, don't tell anyone I said this, but, you're my favorite.
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing. Hey, that's my crib.
Michelle, you don't need a crib anymore. You're a big girl. You sleep in a big girl bed. Here, Tone, you want some toys, buddy? Here, Tone. There you go, buddy.
Those are my toys.
Да. Мою. Тебе точно пиздец.
What the fuck is that fucking thing?
What the fuck? Hello?
Where? Chill.
Scary.
Yo, I'm gonna check his vibe. What are you?
Do you not like it?
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour!
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
What the fuck?
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
Oh, wow. I'm so beautiful.
Come down lower, they're coming. Now it's country. Tofu don't know yet. Don't Tofu. Don't Tofu.
My belly is rumbling. I hunger, Mother. I hunger.
What was that?
I don't even have time for my love life, to see my family. I don't even have time for nothing. I'm working every single day. I'm depressed. Shouldn't even be feeling that way.
Nah, you shouldn't. You shouldn't at all, you feel me? I know you got a lot of people depending on you. I know that's a lot of pressure on you.
Can you go get me a beer, please? Go get me a beer. Please make it a good one. What are you gonna pick? Ooh, that's a good one. Good girl. Thank you.
Me voy a matar, te me gusta, uy, 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 me voy a matar, uy, uy.
Как тигр делает? Ох. Ох, какой.
I should warn you of the monster known as Vacuum. It can eat and yell at the same time. And I've seen it eat everything. Seriously, like a paperclip and 2 cat toys. Didn't even flinch. To hide from Vacuum, you may use the curtains of invisibility.